Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video. In front of me there is a brand new Perodua Axia that I recently got. So this is not a normal version, this is a manual with the what we call it a Rahmah version. So this car is equipped with 5-speed gearbox manual. So yeah, so I did an accessory with the gear up accessory that you will see here. So right now I'm going to be doing a overview of this car. So without any wasting time, let's do a review. Okay, so here we have this Perodua Axia Rahmah, what people always call it. This is the Rahmah version. And yeah, as you see, I did change the rims from the, we call it a steely wheels, and I changed to the, let's see what kind of rim this is. This is a Wedge Sport with a blue lug nuts. Look at that. Yeah, with a normal original brakes. I didn't do any customizations on the brakes. Only do changing the rims, and I call it a day. And one thing I want to mention, that I put a mini spoiler on the rear at the trunk here, as you see. Okay, so I'm filming in a public park, as you see. There's a OKU sign, which means that I'm disabled, that I'm not technically disabled, it's just there for a reason, because I can't work just yet. If you see that, there is a mini spoiler. It's pretty cute. I like that thing a lot. I mean, I don't think you can see it, but it's a very small mini spoiler. Okay, so as I said, I did put a gear up accessory on this car. So what I mean by gear up is the trims and the seat covers. That's all that inside about the gear up accessory, but it is excluded about the rims and all the other brake and stuff. And that technically cost me about 1,000 ringgit. Okay, so first of all I need to open up the bonnet of this car. Let's see what's underneath the bonnet. I mean, we called it a trunk. Okay, so first of all, let's open this trunk right here. Let's open this. I can't see where is the latch. I can't find it. It's probably in here somewhere. There you go. It's pretty heavy as well. Look at that. A beautiful engine. I mean, it has a 60 horsepower. I don't know how many torque it produces, but a very small kind of engine. Just goes point A to point B. The most important part is about the manual transmission. That's the most important part of this car. Okay, so that's all about from the bonnet and the engine bay. Look at that, a VND 7841. There's my license plate. I don't really care what people. Oh no, there's a license plate. It's just a car. Okay, so here's all about the exterior of this car, of how it looks like. With the wheel sport rims. It doesn't look that bad. It was pretty good, isn't it? Yeah, it looks like a normal rims. It's not racing rims, but I bought it. It's called a, oh no, it's locked on the back. You need to manually open it from the inside like this, and open it like this. There you go. This is how you open up. It doesn't have the central lock, which I need to put it later, but I prefer manual because I like all the vehicles. Okay, so I forgot to mention about the interior. This is what I said about the gear up accessories. Here we have a very nice looking leather seats. It's a leather seats. Well, this one feels like an Alcantara kind of thing, but it's not really Alcantara. It's a fabric, a regular fabric made by Isofix. So we have a middle seat belts from here and then there. The trunk is pretty small, but you can put some stuff back there. There's some plastic. Yeah, there you go. It's on the back seat. I must say that the back seat is not that comfortable, but it can get the job done. With this pretty much a bit of soft interior. I do like it a lot, but I kind of don't really like it because it's One of the most cheapest car you can buy in Malaysia. Currently, well, I'm not sure, in 2025 this car is still available with the manual gearbox. Look at that, manual transmission, really nice. Here's the interior and the front seats. Look at that. There is no radio. As you see, there is no radio. It's just blank, and the air conditioner, that's what you get. Oh, by the way, here's the gear up accessory. Look at that. Gear up. Look at that. Yeah, gear up. One thing I want to mention, not just that, I have some other trims that I put inside this car. I mean outside. Here's the Gear Up Pro Duo Originals. Look at that, gear up. This one have a little bit of scratched up. I don't know how did that happen, but it's scratched up for no reason. Okay, so here's the exterior of this car looks like. There's nothing about gear ups on the windscreen. There's nothing there. I mean on the windshield. Not windscreen, I don't know why I said that. There is halogen headlights, normal headlights. Look at that, normal headlights. Okay, so there are people in here, which I'm kind of embarrassed about. Okay. Alright, so let's open up. And I did install a Raytech, what is this thing called? I forgot. A tinted, yeah, tinted. Isofix, no, it's Gear Up Originals Pro Duo. Look at that, beautiful interior. Look at that Gear Up icon. It's a pretty expensive trim for 1,000 ringgit. If you don't know how much is 1,000 ringgit converted, it's going to be like $200 or $300 like that. It's not that expensive, but it's quite expensive for me because I'm already 19. I'm not like I have a job just yet, but this car can get a job just right. There you go. You have seat belts, Gear Up trims like that. There's nothing much about this car really, other than I like to showcase of how this car looks like in real person. By the way, I did bought a new phone. This thing is called, I forgot, the Redmi 13 Pro Plus or something. Yeah, a very clean interior because I did take care of this car really well. Look at that, pretty clean interior. Yeah, there's a Raytech logo on the back. Okay, so let's open up the trunk. Let's see what I put on the back here. I'm not going to say much about the trunk, but that's not a lot of things I put back here. And there you go. It's nothing. It's just a plastic. But I think they do include a spare tire. Yeah, it's on the back here, but I do want to open it up, because I don't want to waste my time opening every single components in this car. Here we have the back cover, but we don't have this thing just yet. You can buy it from the car accessory shop, or you can buy it online to place it here. Because this is not a regular Axia, this is the Rahmah version, which you need to upgrade it every single thing yourself. Because this is like a car from way back in 1960, but it's a brand new version with a brand new engine, brand new ECU and stuff. I don't know what to say, but this car is just from a classic car, but with a modern day car body shell. So yeah, that's all about it from this video. There are not a lot of things I'm going to talk about this Axia, because this car is a pretty slow car. I don't know how long like this car is going to last, but I'm pretty sure it will going to last for more than 1 million or 2 million kilometers, or call it miles. So yeah, this is all about it for this video of me reviewing this car, my brand new Axia, because this is a replacement car of my the yellow Corolla. Not really a replacement, because I do want to plan myself to repair the car, a bit of things. So yeah, the thing about the yellow car is that is coil plugs or something like that I have to replace. I don't know what to say about that yellow car really, because every single time I think broke, I have to spend about $300 or $300 because it's an AE86 engine. It's not a regular engine like everybody uses it's called I forgot, a carbureted engine. No, it's not a carbureted engine. It's a modern engine, but it's a way back in time because it's a full AGE. That's the problem with the yellow Corolla. Yeah, the good news about the yellow car is that it's not because of the coolant gas inside the cylinder. It's more about the coil plugs and the distributor. That's all about the things that broke in my Corolla. So yeah, this is what's it of me making a review of this Perodua Axia. There are not a lot of things I'm going to tell you about. It's just a Perodua. It's a pretty sweet looking car with a mini spoiler. If you can see there, a mini spoiler. Yeah. It's a Perodua Axia from 360 view with the blue lug nuts. I mean, I prefer reds, but I want to be different, a little bit different. Hold on, let me take some closer shot from this car. Look at that. A Perodua Rahmah version. You need to know that this is the Rahmah version because it's a manual. The base version with the automatic, I think it's called the Rahmah. No, it's not the Rahmah. It's called Axia G. It's the most minimum way if you want to get an automatic, but I do want to spend about $4,000 just to get the trim for automatic, but I prefer manual. Everything manual. You have to open it up yourself. You need to lock it every single time you open it. So yeah, I'm doing way too much in outros in this video. So yeah, this is what's it for this video of me making a Axia review. So yeah, goodbye and I'll see you in the next video.